Okay, now what we need to do to this part, we've created the outermost piece here and the pocket inside right there. We have some fillets to create. We could have done them in the sketch, but I left them out of that sketch. But right here, we're going to be interested in this inner radius here, and then these out here, these outer fillet radiuses. So here we go. So in Fusion 360, this is how we do it. We actually come over here. It's under the modify command. Fillet. Or you can type the F button, the F key on your keyboard, fillet. Here we go. So I've had some troubles with this before myself, but what we're going to do is select one. We're then going to pan and rotate around a little bit. I want that. 2, 3, and 4. Before doing anything else, I've selected those vertical lines right there. And those, based off of the drawing, need to be a radius of 0.2 or 200,000ths of an inch. When you do that there, pulls up very nicely. You can click OK. Then, I'm going to want to do the same thing to the outermost corners. That corner there, there, and there around. See if I can do this. I'm going to hit the F key on my keyboard. Edges to select. Right here. Right there. Now, I've selected one. I've had this issue before where I then type in 0.250 before going on. And then I come back. And then it is challenging here. I haven't quite figured this out in Fusion 360 yet. It gets a little challenging there that now I've selected one corner radius, one there, and then it doesn't allow me to select anymore. So just erase that back there, then there. So you have to kind of do this in order. I haven't quite figured that out in Fusion 360 yet. Not my favoriteest thing about it, but now we're going to type this in as 0.250. So if you saw how I corrected that, if I then unclick from there, it's going away. I made the mistake the first time. Clicking there, then 0.25, and then trying to select any more. Let's see what does G2 do. Nothing else. So if I forget and do it that way, then I can just deselect that, come back around, click there, and there, right there, and right there. Now I can modify that to be 0.250. Goes there, and I'm going to click OK. That's exactly what I want.